everywhere in the world, onshore, offshore, hot environments, cold environments, everywhere in the world there's a wind turbine, you'll find an FT sensor.
Daniel, thanks for taking the time to speak to me today. We're at the WindEurope event in Copenhagen. Can you just tell us, a little bit about why you're here and what you're here to promote?
Yeah, sure. So we're FT Technologies. We're the world's only provider of acoustic resonance wind sensors.
Okay.
These have been optimized for turbine control, and it's nearly 25 years that we've been selling into the wind industry. These have been optimized for turbine control. So these will sit on the top of the nacelle, and they'll measure the speed and the direction of the wind and feed into the control systems of the turbine, and that is for operational purposes. As I mentioned, we use a technology called acoustic resonance. This differs from other ultrasonic technologies that you'll see in other products, which primarily uses time of flight technology. Acoustic resonance is a resonating frequency that we create within the measurement cavity. So it's this hole within the sensor here. As the wind passes through the measurement cavity, we measure the phase shift of that resonating frequency that we've created. And from that, use a clever algorithm, and we can measure the direction of the speed and acoustic temperature. It's a proprietary technology that's been patented by us, and we're the only people in the world that measures the wind in this way.
What's the benefit of that versus other methods?
So we have a very high signal to noise ratio. So whereas other technologies would be influenced by, say, vibrations or shocks or very sudden violent gusts or wind direction changes, this can keep its resonating frequency during those environments. So it can withstand high vibrations, it can withstand high G-force knocks, it can withstand very brutal gust changes and still keep that signal really strong and ensure that you've got that measurement through to the nacelle, into the turbine control.
How is the actual data transferred or captured?
So we offer two signaling formats. So we can do an analog signal, which is 4 to 20 milliamps, or a digital signal, which is generally RS485. And what we do is we provide that data through. So it's up to the integrator or the designer of the turbine to do what they will with that data. Our main focus is to ensure the reliability and the consistency of the correct data for the turbine. Safety feature, for example, operational feature. So it's critical that operates. It's literally the eyes and ears of the turbine. If the sensor goes down, the turbine stops.
And just in terms of the future, how do you see the next 12 months, 24 months in terms of you as a company, but also the industry?
We've been getting some good communications with a lot of our customers. We've been getting a lot of new customers as well within the wind industry. We know that repowering is now becoming a very, very big topic, as well as life extension. So we personally see a big market growth into that sector. Our traditional customers, which is the OEMs, still seeing a steady growth, still seeing some good communication through those. So we are seeing a good level of engagement and a good level of future build and future outcome for the company. But outside of the wind industry, we are also pushing into different industries. So we have a separate team that work on all manner of different operations, whether it be marine or cranes or UAVs, what have you.
And what about your market? Is it Europe? Is it US?
Yep, global, everywhere. We're installed everywhere in the world, onshore, offshore, hot environments, cold environments, everywhere in the world there's a wind turbine, you'll find an FT sensor.
Perfect. All right, thanks for taking the time to speak to me. Thank you.